Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and change the Wi-Fi password in Canon Pixma MG3650S. To find Wi-Fi password you just need to print the information page. To do this, press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the power indicator starts blinking. Now it's blinking, you can release the Wi-Fi button and press it one more time. Now it's printing, and after the first page you can press the cancel button because second page is the thing you don't need. So cancel, and here is the page with the information. Access point mode section is what you need. You can see your SSID, or in other words network name, and Wi-Fi password. If access point section is empty, it means the Wi-Fi direct is disabled on your printer. To enable Wi-Fi direct you need to apply a key combination on the printer's control panel. So press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the power indicator starts blinking, then release Wi-Fi button, then press black, color and Wi-Fi. And wait for the power indicator to start glow solid. That's it. The Wi-Fi direct is enabled now and you can print out the password. To change Wi-Fi direct password, open Canon Print application on your smartphone and tap on your printer's image to enter settings. Then tap on printer information and it takes you to the printer's web interface. Tap on log on. I don't know why log on, not log in. And enter password, and this time this is your admin password. You can find this password on the same page, but at the top here it is, default password. So enter this password, tap in the middle of the screen to see OK button, hit OK and log in as administrator. I don't want to save this password. Then hit system info and LAN settings, access point mode settings, yes. And here you can rename your printer in the network, but let's skip this step, and change password here. But there is no chance to see what you type in. So if you delete this password, each time you type a letter or digit, just write down what you type in. Otherwise, if you forget this password, you just will have to reset the printer and set up Wi-Fi direct connection from scratch. That's pretty it. Once you've changed your password, your smartphone will be disconnected from the printer, so you need to go back to your Wi-Fi settings, find the printer's network, tap on I, forget this network, then find this network again and connect with your new password. Actually, that's all I want to say for today. If this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.